Welcome, today I'm with Jabra Elite 85H and I will show you how we can use the smart voice assistant with these headphones. So we can use the Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa and also iOS Assistant Siri. We have to open Jabra sound application at the first and let the device connect. Next, tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon and right now you have to go for the voice assistant. On iPhone, we can pick Amazon Alexa or iOS Siri. You can make a simple change by tapping just like that and select the next assistant. I'm gonna stay with Siri. And right now, if you want to use Siri, you can find on the right earbud this microphone icon, and when you tap on it once, you will activate Siri. Hey Siri. As you can see, we easily activate iOS voice assistant with our headset, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.